So, don't mind yung mga noise sa background. But, yeah, samahan niyo ako. So, this is my inspo. And, look at my table right now. It's so messy. Ito yung itatape ko pa siya para magkaganyan. So, right now, let's play music.
Time to get ready. You used to make too much, so you still, and it always will.
So, ito yung mga palette natin.
Just to see.
Palette.
I'm happy to be catching up. No, we don't have to patch days, just to.
Okay guys, this is much better. Tapos na yung horizontal. So, let's start.
I couldn't tell you how the moon can pull the tide 1,000 streams. There's a little feeling number of waters, and I got no business with
So, these are my brushes.
waking up in this bed next to you. Swear the room, yeah, got no ceiling. If we lay that the day just passes by, I get to too much talking about you. From my best friend. Sometimes I don't exactly where we should go.
Ba't pinalis ko na to? Magbubox-box siya. So, hi guys. Bali, hindi nasunod yung inspo ko nung una. So, I decided na tapos na ako sa mga this one. It's look like sky. Kaya, my plan is each of this one gagawin ko siyang sky. Pero iba-ibang style. Okay, gets nyo ba? Pero later, papakita ko lang. Look at this one. Yeah. Napatuyo ko pa siya. Ayoko muna magpakita ng inspo kasi baka hindi ko magaya.
The chances of me finding you, nobody knows how we go. Oh, and we're alone. It's like we're home. You. How we go. Oh, and we're my bones are safe and my heart can rest knowing it belongs. Feel like last
So yeah, this is the first one. Hi guys, it's already 9:33 kinabi na ako. And sobrang umuulan na. Pero, at this one, apat na lang. Guys, apat na lang. So guys, the first one is hindi siya kita pero orange siya. Yan, parang mga lantern, tapos clouds and moon. And ito naman, obviously bahay. And ito puno yan guys. And this one, mountain, tapos dapat bintana siya pero pinapatuyo ko pa. Ano ba accent yan? And ito, pinaka-cute nito. Ayun o, cute ng ano siya, bintana, tapos curtain. Tapos, ito naman is cloud siya. Tapos, mountain, hindi kita yung sun. Yan guys. So, I'll be back kapag tapos na siya. Guys, I am done finally. So, help me. Kasi rough. Okay. Okay? Look at this. Kamay ko. Ganyan yung kamay ko. Yan lang. Bye.